Olá, let me tell you about AR verbs in Portuguese. Verbs such as trabalhar, to work, or falar, to speak, or morar, to live. Now, trabalhar is working or to work. When you're talking about yourself, we use an O ending. So, trabalho, I work. All you need to do is get rid of AR from the verb trabalhar, to work, and use an O ending. Trabalho, I work. Falo, I speak. Moro, I work. Then if you are talking to another person, you use the você form. So you would have then we have an A ending. Você trabalha, you work. For example, você trabalha em Lisboa, do you work in Lisbon? And then for ele and ela, he and she, again we use an A ending. So ele trabalha, he works. Ela trabalha, she works. Just a few examples. Eu trabalho em Lisboa, I work in Lisbon. Onde você trabalha? Where do you work? And Ana é doutora, ela trabalha num hospital. So all you need to remember is that with AR verbs such as trabalhar, falar, morar, or gostar, you use an O ending when you're talking about yourself. Eu trabalho, for example, and then an A ending in the você and ele and ela forms.